This cocktail is called Dominican Goddess. Go ahead and start off by putting your ice in your shaker like so. Then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of rum, light rum. There's 1. There's a half. Then we're going to do about 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice, red grapefruit juice, or pink. Red, pink, same thing. Then you're going to fill the rest up with lemon-lime flavored seltzer water. Lemon-lime flavored seltzer water. And then mix. Now, Dominican Goddess doesn't have much grapefruit juice in it at all. As you can see, it's just 1/2 ounce. So if you wanted to give it a little bit more color, a little bit more sweetness, you can add more. This is what your cocktail is going to look like. Go ahead and garnish that with a little cocktail straw. Let's put a little more grapefruit juice in there to give it some color. There, that looks better, don't you think? And you are good to go. Cheers.